So here we have the Ford Ecosport Titanium X Pack on a 15 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off by looking inside the boot, and then we can work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way around. Looks really good in white as well. Just briefly before climbing in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get full leather seats, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. At the bottom in the middle we have the fuel gauge, and then above that the total miles on this car, which are 9,556. You can change the information that's displayed there for various different bits of fuel economy info, and that's done by pressing the button on the end of the indicator stalk. If we move out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we have cruise control, and on the left hand side we have stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is of course once you paired the phone, and that is done over on the central screen area and stereo just here. So before we come back to the phone, you can see every push of the radio button will give us a different frequency on the radio. All the way back round to the beginning again. So we have AM and FM radio there, and a couple of frequencies per channel if you like, so you can save lots of different preset stations. Besides that, we have a CD player, which is just at the top of this unit here, and if we were to press the auxiliary button just there, you will see that we've also got
no USB device.
USB input, so you can connect up a device via USB. We've also got auxiliary input, and we have Bluetooth audio as well. It's trying to connect a phone there. Of course it can't because nothing is connected. But once you've connected your phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, but you can listen to music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. Let's say all them buttons that I was using are on this main unit, as well as the main on-off switch and volume button just there. Beneath that we have climate control. So you can select the temperature with this right-hand dial, fan speed over on the left here. When you're happy with those settings, press the AC button to turn air conditioning on, or hit auto and it will maintain 25 degrees for you by taking control of the fan speed itself, which you can hear it doing now, and you can simply override that as and when you wish to. Working our way down from there, we have the 5-speed manual gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket, and then the auxiliary and USB inputs that I mentioned a moment ago. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.